any other country. I understand the reluctance, but I still cannot accept it. Let's put it this way, Ukraine has 5 nuclear power stations.
Is that just to get through the red light?
And your dog, I'm sure you love him or her, but didn't exactly help you out that night, did they? Thank you, Dylan. Maria, I thought we'd hear some stories, but this is shocking, isn't it? And let me just have a quick look.
I read a lot, but I beat Kieran at Street Fighter today.
After he beat you 3 times.
After he beat me 3 times, right? But that's fine,
right?
Because I beat him, and I'm very proud of myself. I hate to tell you, but like I'm on board with Picard and Discovery right now, which I know you would hate to hear.
Well, so listen, I will. No, well, here's the only thing I have to say. Compilations come to like Nintendo Switch or PlayStation 4. It'll be like the whatever the Capcom collection and this and that, but they always like leave out like those.
Revolution?
Yeah.
Dancing stage in Europe.
I did not know that.
Yeah, Revolution, dirty word, right? I don't want to talk about Revolution. They're like,
went to school for this particular career, whereas now anybody can start a blog on why their dog in space.
And we removed that law, and so that law doesn't.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yes, people can use that to make the case that you should ignore science.
All the problems with all these games.
I feel like toy distribution is so different than it used to be.
They resculpted over the chest. They gave him a flat. Resources that you want, or even if you do, you get like 4 shards,
and you're like, I need 10. What the hell?
I need 10, but then they're asking me to get 3 full orbs.
How'd you know?
The roundabout continues straight.
Like Puma.
Don't you win elections?
They don't generally do, no.
And yours is a divided party.
I think it could be more united, I think. But we've had divisions before. I mean, in the last 10 years, we've had all sorts.
Where the incumbent administration stays in power based on its view, unsupported by specific evidence, in the election, that there was fraud in the election. And yet, we have in which President Trump was not only proposing to live, but is still living. Apparently, the president's daughter Ivanka took a different view, as Congresswoman
sufficient to overturn the election.
Your perspective about
Last was fine, but in London, I think people are just used to it, and I think what's happening is certain barriers
Made with sweet, hand-picked English rhubarb.
through the cost of living crisis. They've seen Labour, in contrast, making the argument, setting out the plans to help people through this period, just as we did with the proposal for the windfall tax to
Okay, but going back to Eagle Island, what does Eagle Island have to do with Metroid?
Nothing, but it has some of these elements.
It has all of them.
Right.
It has every element.
Right.
But it's aesthetically fantasy versus aesthetically. I don't think that under the Metroidvania umbrella you can look at aesthetic.
Okay.
That's where the argument totally strange to me.
I mean, and it won't be a pretty argument, will it? I mean,
it won't.
No longer more precise rolls. That is all these games have scoring. And the scoring isn't just hit it or didn't hit it. Like, this game has
whatever the hell they got over there.
yeah.
whatever the hell it is, do it.
Yeah. they make us dance, so we have to.
So I was like, oh, I might be able to get on the high score leaderboard for this. And my first round of it, I did really well. I think I made it to number 30, which is halfway decent. And that was my first round of it. And then I kept playing after that, and I did worse and better at it once you see it. Or they're like, did you get the wrong item? What did you have? You had the wind, and then you get the fire, or whatever. Yeah. It's like, oh, well now.
I put down like a
Oh, sorry.
I played it for you.
Wait, you're not.
not enough sun.